हेलो, वेलकम टू फुटबॉल विद दक्ष। इस चैनल पे कोलैब वीडियोस तो पता नहीं 2 साल हो गए होंगे करे हुए, बट भाई
Really?
वी
Am
हैव
I the lucky one?
कोलैब्स। आई एम अ आई एम अ सोलो गाय। लास्ट सीजन इट लुक्ड लाइक यू गाइस वर हेडिंग अगेन टू द चैंपियंस लीग सेमीज। पीएसजी के अगेंस्ट दैट रेड कार्ड इंसिडेंट हैपेंड। हमारी टीम भी क्वार्टर्स में निकल गई थी अगेंस्ट बायर्न म्यूनिख। यू गाइस लॉस्ट अगेंस्ट पीएसजी। दिस टाइम ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ द ब्रैकेट्स हम दोनों सेमीफाइनल्स पे हैं अगेंस्ट टू रियली रियली गुड टीम्स।
Yeah.
तेरे क्या इमोशंस है? लाइक यू बीन इन द सेमीफाइनल्स आफ्टर हाउ मेनी इयर्स?
Last time we were there, Liverpool wale time pe we were in the semis. Okay. That has kind of killed the nerve for me. समझ रहे हो आप? For me,
उससे बुरा क्या ही हो
until
जाएगा?
unless, yeah, unless I am in the final, I don't feel like I'm in the final. Even if
हम्म,
you're playing too damn good. क्योंकि even last year I was so sure looking at the paths, looking at
हम्म,
everything. I was so sure that this team can make it till the final. Like I had it in me. And then
हम्म.
red card, everything just fell apart. So nothing feels like a final except the final. Simple as that.
Tell me about the job according to you Hansi Flick has done.
Oh, Hansi Flick, man. I just can't find more words to appreciate the man. अगर हम एक चीज के बारे में बात करेंगे कि ये Hansi Flick ने after doing it with Bayern, he's
Hmm.
on route to doing it with Barcelona. The same thing in a very short span.
Yeah.
That is like incredible.
Yeah.
That is incredible. The only thing that kind of pulls him back, ज्यादा ड्यूरेशन तक उसने कोचिंग नहीं करी है
Hmm.
स्टेंट्स के अंदर.
Yeah.
जर्मनी वाला लोग एग्जांपल लेते हैं, बट देन जर्मनी के साथ इट वाज अ प्लेयर इशू. ठीक है. But I genuinely mean, man, this has been
Yeah.
absolutely great.
I think जावी का इसमें काफी बड़ा रोल था, like.
Absolutely. I think तीन लोगों को जिनको genuinely every Barcelona fan should be thankful for. The number one person should be Laporta. The
Okay.
number one person. ठीक है. Over Hansi Flick, over Xavi Hernandez. It should be Laporta. I think he has taken a lot of risky moves to bring Barcelona where they are today. He is just couple good seasons away from establishing Barcelona to where they were after winning the Champions League back in like a decade back. They were on top of the mountain. Like they were, everybody was like कि अब ये क्लब यहाँ से क्या करेगा. बात ये लपोर्टा को गालियां भी बहुत पड़ी है. ठीक है. मैंने खुद दिया भाई. I have absolutely
Fair,
no
fair,
shame in
fair.
saying that. And yes, proved me wrong. A lot of people like me wrong who doubted him. Was I wrong to doubt him? Absolutely not. भाई वो पॉलिटिशियन बंदा है. वो बोलता था कि मैं ए कर रहा हूँ, बट वो बी करता था. बट एट द एंड अगर बी करके बार्सिलोना का भला हो रहा है तो हम फैंस खुश हैं.
Yeah.
हमें लगता था कि भाई ए करना चाहिए. वो कहता नहीं भाई
Hmm.
मैं बी करूंगा. ही इज नंबर वन. जावी नंबर टू. As you said, भाई
Hmm.
बार्सिलोना का पूरा प्रोजेक्ट बिल्ड करा उसने. एंड देन हांसी फ्लिक.
Yeah. Sorry to interrupt, but there is a longer uncut version of this entire preview that I've recorded with Muktesh, and you can watch it if you're already a member. If you're not a member, first of all, what are you doing? You get access to a Discord, and you can watch this video where me and Muktesh go a lot deeper into some topics. So yeah, for more such content, join the membership and yeah, continue watching and enjoy. Since जैसे तूने बोला last few years से और what decade or wherever you want to take the time frame into be, what do you think is Barcelona's story in this Champions League season को भूल जा, just in this Champions League, what do you think तेरे हिसाब से is Barcelona's story?
फॉर मी ये बार्सिलोना के इस सीजन की स्टोरी इज अबाउट ओवरकमिंग fears. Like we often talk about एक young team, this is a young project, and as I mentioned before, the risk जो ये team ने लिए हैं, I think this team has taken a lot of risk in terms of seeing the vision with a lot of players who didn't really have major minutes in terms of professional football. कई पहली बारी step up कर रहे हैं. It was putting in a lot of trust in ये young players, and that brings a lot of fears along with you. As a Barcelona fan, I have seen a lot of young players जो कि were given a chance of professional football. They could not live up to it, and then it not just hampered their own careers, but Barcelona ka project in terms of the trust they put in them. God forbid if this was supposed to go bad, it would go bad for so many players at the same time. So that's like a scary thing. आप समझ रहे हो?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
But they have मतलब वो एक fear इस टीम ने overcome करा. So that is the biggest story for me. It's like a team of rejects, underrated players, young players, सबके ऊपर बार्सिलोना क्लब को बचा के रखने का ठीकरा फोड़ दिया. With the fear of it failing. But they overcome it.
It's crazy, man, when you think about it. But these kids are running the main team and they'll probably be so important against your next opponents, Inter. What do you think about Inter as an opponent for the Champions League? Another one like ये हम इसको भी संभालेंगे जैसे बायर्न को संभाले या फिर this is a difficult thing?
See, I was rating Inter Milan to be one of the favorites to make it till the Champions League final in the beginning of the season. ठीक है, that was one team for me which I had to be away from. I will still hold like that thought in regard that they can obviously upset Barcelona, but if like एक पल के लिए अगर मैं diplomatic बिल्कुल ना हूँ and if I take all things into regard, I think Barcelona should be able to beat them considering especially their current form. See,
Yeah.
in terms of player quality, they are a stacked team, but I think right now they have like lost 3 or 4 games in a row.
लास्ट 3
Um,
गेम्स में ड्रॉप करे उन्होंने पॉइंट्स. हाँ.
so that is like a huge thing considering they're gonna be facing Barcelona next.
Yeah.
It
सही, बिल्कुल सही है. बट एक बात बता मुझे, तुझे क्या लग रहा है लाइक फिजिकली इस टीम की कैप अभी लाइक रीच हो गई, या फिर यू स्टिल फील कि लाइक दिल स्टिल पुश थ्रू? आई टेल यू व्हाई. बिकॉज जब कुंडे ने वो गोल मारा था ना कोपा डेल रे फाइनल में, 118वें मिनट पे एक लूज बॉल पे पाउंस करके एक लॉन्ग रेंज शॉट मार के कुर्तवा को बीट करना,
It's a
दैट
big
विल
deal.
टेक अ सुपर ह्यूमन फिजिकल एफर्ट.
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah,
यू आर मेंटली टायर्ड, यू आर फिजिकली टायर्ड, एंड यू आर रनिंग गनिंग एंड शूटिंग जस्ट टू विन. जस्ट टू विन. वो गेम पेनल्टीज पे जाता. द subs you had made was not for penalties. Everyone
yeah,
had gone off.
yeah.
It was a game they played to win. वो भी 118वें मिनट पे. बट देखो क्या लगता है, like वो physical, are you a little worried about that physical cap?
I am in terms of like देखो exhaustion तो obviously एक ऐसी चीज है जो तुम्हें एक प्लेयर के गेम में दिख जाता है. ठीक है, they are running a bit slower, they are taking a lot more time to process, उनके passes are bit inaccurate. तो वो एक fatigue जो चीज़ है ना वो एक प्लेयर की गेम में दिख जाती है. बट मेरा जो ज़्यादा बड़ा fear है about like so many minutes that this team has been playing is injuries. क्योंकि like as a Barcelona fan that has been something जो बहुत जिसने बहुत ट्रबल करा है इस टीम को पिछले कुछ सालों में. So right now we are in the crucial part of the season where injuries can probably hurt you in a way you can't imagine. Like imagine even if we beat Inter Milan but end up losing, bhai bhagwan kare aisa na ho bhai, but like a few major players, and that would change everything. That is one of the like things for me that scared the shit out of me. I hope this not happen. So yeah, surely man, वो तो है. Physically ये टीम को better work करना पड़ेगा.
I think everything is there, like you said. Talent is there, drive is there, वो जुनून, वो ड्रीम सब alive है. It's just कितना अपने आप को खींच सकता है. मेरे को बस वही डर है एक चीज का. बट प्रेडिक्शंस, इट इज टाइम. फर्स्ट लेग की हम अभी करेंगे, सेकंड लेग पे मैं फिर से बुलाऊंगा तेरे को मिल्क करने के लिए. फर्स्ट लेग प्रेडिक्शंस.
First leg, I think Barcelona will try to score at least 2 goals while trying to keep up. My prediction is कि first leg के अंदर if there is not a goal within the first 15 minutes for Inter, I think Inter would like to pounce on the back fact that Barcelona थोड़ी सी अभी वो है. तो इंटर अगर पहले 15 मिनट में गोल नहीं मारती है, my prediction is going to be that Barcelona have a very high chance of keeping a clean sheet in the first leg.
Okay.
While being able to score at least 2 goals. So my prediction is going to be a 2-0.
2-0. मैंने आज प्रेडिक्ट किया था तुम लोग 3-0 जीतोगे.
Okay. Quite similar.
Cool. Yeah, guys, this was it. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much. Check out Muktesh if you haven't, of course. And yeah, that was a preview. See you all soon. Tata, see you. Bye-bye.